This is Millie. She's very sweet and very curly. And this is Austin. Look up. Hi. He's very big and very fluffy and sweet. He just doesn't always come when you call him. And by always, I mean almost never. So I am a Rover official. My dog sitting business is officially off the ground. I got my first booking, which was Austin. And then Storm and Millie got added. It's so fun. I love pupperons. Okay. Storm, come here. Oh, wow. Austin came. He's doing better at his listening skills. Thank you for coming. Or do you just like being in front of the camera? Huh? That would be Storm barking at a rock. Millie loves brother. She just watches him. Where'd Tyson go? Thank you for the love. It took him forever to just put his feet in the edge. There you go. Do like Storm. Have. Let me see. Did you find a rock? Can I see? Ow. Can I see? Huh? He finds rocks and he carries them around and he barks at them and he loves them. Are y'all already awake? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Good morning. There's Tyson. Millie girl, do you not want to come out in the cold? Huh? Are you looking so pretty sitting there? Do you need some morning love? Huh? Do you need some morning love? You want to get closer? Tyson is so excited to have all these friends. Hello. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. I've rubbed off. Hi, Millie. So we're walking her through the field. Okay. Let's go. Millie, are you having fun? Bella has joined the fun. She had a little bit of a learning curve. She has to learn, I don't know, she's a little tense when the dogs are first around. But now she's doing great. Wow. Millie, your feet are gonna be really bleeding. He has decided he now hates the golf cart. Randomly. Ready? Okay, I hear you. Let's go.